ang branch ning Jollibee ing binuklat king Ciudad Angeles. Jollibee officially opened its newest branch in Barangay Pulong Kakutod on August 19, 2025. The much-awaited store marks Jollibee's 16th branch in Angeles City, 61st in Pampanga, and the 34th under the AST Group, proving na talagang malapit yaking puso na rin balang kabalen ing Chicken Joy at Jolly Spaghetti.
Marami pa rin yung may need for a Jollibee store in between Magalang and Angeles, kaya ito yung napili. We have 104 seating capacity.
With its newest home in Pulong Kakutod, mas accessible ne ing paboritong fast food chain ning Balen, kareng nearby communities.
Mag-open na po kami on August 22, pero we are on soft opening starting tomorrow. Pero yung grand opening is on August 22. Nandiyan yung Jollibee mascot natin ay may mga promos po in store for all our customers.
This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.